everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So आज चाहिँ म यो vlog किन बनाउँदैछु भने today we have election program in our school. है आज चाहिँ इलेक्सन हुन लाग्दैछ यस्तो छ है यहाँको अवस्था। इलेक्सन केको लागि भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो स्कुल हेड हामीले छान्न लाग्दैछौँ र यो पालि चाहिँ इलेक्सनबाट चाहिँ स्कुल हेड हामी छान्न लाग्दैछौँ है त। Voter lines for female and voter lines for male. So tayari huँदैछ है यहाँनिर। Preparation is going on here. So it's the condition here. So they are the voters there. So as you can see here, Prefect Council Election 2082. Your voice, your vote, your future. So this is the way we are going to select the school head from the student side. So preparation is going on here, and you see the students are staying in line to vote. Voters. The tab, so they vote there. Everything is going on smoothly here. So more voters have been arrived here. As you can see the voters. something about today's program, please.
Okay, namaste. I am Diki Nepal, the vice principal of this school, and this is this is an election, of course, for the selection of prefect council head in this school, and we have done technically, digitally. The students are polling themselves to choose the best leader in the school.
Okay.
And the students from all the sections of class 8, 9, 10 are the participants, and they are very nicely practicing how vote is collected in Nepal.
Okay.
Our ultimate goal is to teach them through learning, okay, this process. And in one hand, and in the another hand, students are choosing their best leader in the school.
Okay.
Best possible and latest system of casting vote is device is used here.
Okay.
Students are busy casting their vote, standing in the queue, polling officer, polling booths, and digital pads are made there, set up there so as to facilitate them. So the most interesting thing is that the students have been able to cast their vote before the time we have estimated.
Okay.
So they are enjoying. I found them. I talked to them, to some students there.
Yes, sir.
They have been enjoying this, and they said they are learning as well, because this is a kind of textual course also, lesson also.
Okay.
Whatever we teach, the lesson of casting vote and voting system in Nepal,
Okay.
though we do voting system, first past the post and proportional voting system is difficult to implement here. However, how vote is cast in
yes.
Nepal, like who are polling officer, who are the voters, what is voters' electoral role. Okay?
Yes.
These all are managed here. So this is very historical practice we have been implementing here in the school at Kosi Sandals.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So as I have already told everything about today's program, so you can see here again the voters has been arrived here. So these are the voters, and for voting we have the electronic device there. The tab is kept there, and so they are voting here electronically, or what to say that by using the electronic devices.
What is it? Then what? How are you drinking? What's your class?
Still the voting system is going on.
One.
Completed. So as you can see now, finally the election has been completed. So we are waiting for the result. Hope the result will come soon. So as you can see now, assembly is going to be held here for announcing the result. So they are the candidates for being the head of the school, deputy head, and for other members as well. See.
And we are very shortly going to announce the name of the winners, and we have chosen this election commissioner, deputy commissioner, as Sukhdar sir. Here, Sukhdar sir now.
Thank you, sir. Prefect Council Election 2085 held. The result already we got. Very eager to listen to the result, and you wanted to know your leader. Okay. Results of election. Okay. Kosi Singlim Secondary School, 89 Sunsari, Kosi Prefect Council Election 2082. Subject Result Declaration. We are pleased to officially announce the results of the Prefect Council election here on Sunday 28th Vaisakh 2082 for the school head and the deputy heads respectively. Results. Serial number of candidates, post, vote obtained, result. Number 1, Ayush Sunwar, school head 117. Number 2, Srishtika Shrestha, school head 96. Number 3, Grisha Gautam, school head 82. Ayush Sunwar. 4, deputy school head. Number 1, Aro Shrestha, deputy head 249. Number 2, Rohit Kotwal, deputy head 157. Number 3, Rosna Oja, deputy head 131. Number 4, Alisha Arikari, deputy head 53. Winners, Aro Shrestha winner, Rohit Kotwal winner. Again, note, our total voters 342, vote cast 302, valid votes 295, and invalid votes 7. Thank you. The winners, let's say congratulations to winners, and other are not losers, but this time they have to wait for coming day, so you should not be disappointed. So, and sympathy to others. Thank you, thank you. Good job. Together to felicitate them with Red Tika, Khada, and we at the same time expect a very huge round of applause. This is of course election, your vote is collected and you have chosen very democratically. There is no plus and minus. So congratulations and one your historical record is collected. This time male prefect council head after long gap of years. Okay, very consecutively there was female candidate as the head of the prefect council. So this time Ayush male partner is there. Congress leader Ayush, congratulations. And at the same time Srishtika and Grisha, I am with you. School administration is with you. This is not the lose. Okay, this is not the loss in the election. You have also won. The vote minus makes difference here. So keep your spirit high. We always respect your vote. Hold yourself. At the same time, all deputy heads, they are also due to their sincere gratitude and congratulations to all. One more time, with a very big hooting. Give them a big hand. A very big round of applause. This is, of course, 3 male partners are there, boys are there in the candidacy and have won it. And in other sectors like discipline monitors, logistic monitors, housewives, there are others' names also on the way. That's coming. So congratulations. We always listen mutual cooperation with school administration, with the students itself. You always act as a bridge. So this bridging point you are in. So be very polite. You know what discipline is. And now Principal Sir will express a note of
the process of selection, and this is also the part of learning that you people have learned about the election in Samajik Shiksha. So practically we have done this one in coming days, and we will be selecting others, prepaid council members and the house captain and vice captain by the same process. But this, the result of this election, we have to accept it. But still this is not the complete process. Only the 3 members are there still, and we will nominate the other members. And last time, and we formed the prepared council of 32 members. This year also still some process are still back, so we will complete that process in coming days. And tomorrow is the day of Sakela and Chandi Purnima. School remains closed, and next day is the day of speech from the school head and other remaining process, and we shall be doing. And on the after the formation of complete prepared council, and there will be the certificate distribution program and then oath taking ceremony also. So I would like to extend best wishes and congratulations to all the winners and participants. Moreover, I would like to extend thank you, best wishes and congratulations to all the winners and participants as well as, and then and my dear colleagues, teachers, and then Nishal sir and Department of IT for the technical support. Once again, I would like to extend best wishes and thank you to all the entire family of Koshi St. James. Thank you very much.